Hey everyone, and welcome back to ClearTask. Today I'm going to show you the most reliable ways to get working promo codes for the Carry1st shop. Let's dive right in. If you are tired of expired codes, the first and most guaranteed method is using the official Carry1st mobile app. They frequently reward app users with exclusive deals, flash sales, and first-time buyer discounts that you will not find anywhere else. The second method is checking trusted coupon platforms. Websites like wethrift.com regularly update their lists with verified, community-tested codes. Just search for Carry1st on their site, and always prioritize the codes added within the last few days to ensure they still work. Finally, do not underestimate their social media presence. Make sure to follow Carry1st on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. They constantly run special promotions, holiday sales, and drop limited time promo codes directly to their followers. You should also check the official Carry1st website, as they frequently pin their latest discount banners right on the homepage. And that is it! By checking the app, coupon aggregators, and their social pages, you will always get the best discounts on your gaming top-ups and gift cards. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like, subscribe to ClearTask, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.